Hello students, welcome to Meet Maths classes. Today's topic is from class 12 mathematics, that is NCERT chapter 11 three-dimensional geometry. And we are going to start with some important questions of miscellaneous exercise today. So let us start with our first question, that is question number 9. Find the shortest distance between two lines. Your first line is r is equals to 6i plus 2j plus 2k plus lambda times I minus 2j plus 2k, and your second line is r is equals to minus 4i minus k plus mu times 3i minus 2j minus 2k. And there is a formula of shortest distance between two lines if you are given the vector equations of two lines. You are given first vector equation is r is equals to a, r is equals to a plus lambda times b1, a1 plus lambda times b1, and r is equals to a2 plus lambda mu times b2. These are the two equations of lines, and the shortest distance between these two lines is a2 minus modulus of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2. These are two vector, the dot product between two vectors, these two vectors, divided by the magnitude of b1 cross b2 vector. So let us start with the solution of your question. Your first line is given to you as r is equals to 6i plus 2j plus 2k plus lambda times I minus 2j plus 2k. So from this line you can extract your, this will be your a1 vector and this will be your b1 vector. Okay, and there is another line, that is r is equals to minus 4i minus k plus mu times 3i minus 2j minus 2k. So this can be treated as your a2 vector and this is your b2 vector. Okay, now we are going to first find out a2 minus a1. So a2 minus a1 will be, your a2 is minus 4i minus k minus a1 vector is 6i plus 2j plus 2k, and this is equals to minus 4i minus 6i, that is minus 10i, then 0j minus 2j is minus 2j, then minus k minus 2k is minus 3k. This is your a2 minus a1 vector. Now we are going to find b1 cross b2 vector. So b1 cross b2 is equals to determinant of I, j, k. Your b1 vector is, b1 vectors is 1 minus, components of b1 vector is 1 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 2, 2, and scalar components of b2 vectors are, vector is 3 minus 2 minus 2. So b1 cross b2 will be I into minus 2 into minus 2 is 4 minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 minus j times 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 minus 3 into 2 is 6 plus k times 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Okay, so your b1 cross b2 vector is 8i, this is minus 8, so it will become plus 8j and plus 4k. This is your b1 cross b2 vector. Now we are supposed to find out the dot product of these two vectors. So the dot product of a2 minus a1 and b1 cross b2 is A2 minus A1 is minus 10i minus 2j minus 3k, minus 10i minus 2j minus 3k, and B1 cross B2 vector is 8i plus 8j plus 4k, 8i plus 8j plus 4k. So here this dot product will be minus 10 into 8 plus minus 2 into 8 plus minus 3 into 4, and this will give you minus 80 minus 8 16 minus 12. Okay, and this will give you minus 108. Now we are supposed to find out the magnitude of B1 cross B2, and that is square root of B1 cross B2 vector is this. So 8 का square plus 8 का square plus 4 का square, and that will be equals to 64 plus 64 plus 16. Okay, and that will be root of 144, or we can say that 12. Now the shortest distance between the two lines will be modulus of A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2, and that will be modulus of minus 108 upon 12, and this will give you modulus of minus 9, that is equals to 9 units. So the shortest distance between these two lines is 9 units. Your next question is question number 10. Find the coordinates of the point where the line through these 2 points crosses the YZ plane. First of all, we are going to find out the equation of a line passing through these 2 points. Now there is a formula that the vector equation of a line passing through 2 points with position vectors A and B is given by R is equals to A plus lambda times B minus A, where lambda is any scalar. So in our question, we are given 2 points that your line is passing through these 2 points. A is 5, 1, 6, and your B point is 3, 1, 3, 4, 1. So let A is the position vector of A, that is equals to 5i plus j plus 6k, and B is the position vector of point B, that is 3i plus 4j plus k. So the equation, the vector equation of given line passing through A and B is R is equals to A is 5i plus j plus 6k and plus lambda times B minus A. B minus A is 3i minus 5i is minus 2i, 4j minus j is 3j, and k minus 6k is minus 5k. So this is your given line, equation of given line. Now you are supposed to find out the coordinates of a point where this line AB crosses YZ plane. Suppose this is your YZ plane. So you are supposed to find out a point on this line which satisfies this YZ plane. Let any point on YZ plane has position vector सपोज yz प्लेन है तो x का जो स्केलर कंपोनेंट होगा वो 0 होगा, तो 0i प्लस yj प्लस zk. Now this point must lie on this point C, that is with coordinates 0 y z must lie on line 1. तो line 1 को satisfy करेगा. Now the line 1 is r को आप इस वाले वेक्टर से रिप्लेस करेंगे, सो 0i प्लस yj प्लस zk is equals to, this is 5i minus 2 lambda, 5 minus 2 lambda I, this is 1 plus 3 lambda, 1 plus 3 lambda j, and this is 6 minus 5 lambda k. Okay, now the two vectors are equal when their corresponding components are equal. So 0 is equals to 5 minus 2 lambda, y is equals to 1 plus 3 lambda, and z is equals to 6 minus 5 lambda. From here we can get the value of lambda, that is 5 by 2. And from here we can find the value of y, that is 17 by 2, and z is 6 minus 5 lambda, and that is minus 13 by 2. So the coordinates of the required point is, that implies the coordinates of required point C are 0, y is 17 by 2, and z is minus 13 by 2. Now your next question is question number 11. Find the coordinates of the point where the line through 516 and 341 crosses the zx plane. So there is a formula to find out the vector equation of a line passing through 2 points with position vectors a and b is given by r is equals to a plus lambda times b minus a. Now to use this formula, your given line is passing through 2 points a, that is 516, and b, that is 341. Let the a has position vector a, that is 5i plus j plus 6k, and b has position vector b, that is 3i plus 4j plus k. Now the equation of line AB will be r is equals to a, that is 5i plus j plus 6k plus lambda times b minus a. Now b minus a is 3i minus 5i, that is minus 2i. 4j minus j, that is 3j. K minus 6k, that is minus 5k. So this is your equation 1. Now we are supposed to find out the coordinates of the point where the line AB crosses zx plane. So let the line AB crosses zx plane at C with coordinates, क्योंकि zx plane है तो y coordinate आपका 0 होगा. So the position vector of C, the position vector of C is xi plus 0j plus zk. Now this point C must lie on this line. The point C lies on line 1, so it must satisfy line 1. So R को आप रिप्लेस कर दें xi plus 0j plus zk is equals to, this is 5 minus 2 lambda I, this is 1 plus 3 lambda j, and this is 6 minus 5 lambda k. Okay. Now comparing the corresponding components of these two vectors, since these two vectors are equal, so corresponding components must be equal. So x must be equals to 5 minus 2 lambda, 0 must be equals to 1 plus 3 lambda, and z must be equals to 6 minus 5 lambda. From here we will get the value of lambda, that is minus 1 by 3, and from this we can find out the value of x, that is 13 by 3, and z is equals to 6 minus 5, and the lambda is minus 1 by 3, so z is equals to 23 by 3. So the required coordinates of C will be 13 by 3, y is 0, and z is 23 by 3. Now your next question is question number 12. Find the coordinates of the point where the line through 3 minus 4 minus 5 and 2 minus 3 1 crosses the plane 2x plus y plus z is equals to 7. Now the formula to find out the equation of a line passing through 2 points is, your first point is A, that is x1 y1 z1, your second point is B, that is x2 y2 z2, and the equation of line will be x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equals to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equals to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. So your line is passing through these 2 points. Let this point is A and this point is B. Your A point is 3 minus 4 minus 5 and B point is 2 minus 3 1. So the equation of line AB will be x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equals to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equals to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. So this will be, let any point on AB अगर आप इसको किसी भी एक कांस्टेंट से इक्वेट करते हैं, देन यू विल गेट x माइनस 3 upon minus 1 is equals to y plus 4 upon 1 is equals to z plus 5 upon 6 is equals to k, or we can find out a general point on this line, that is minus k plus 3, y is equals to k minus 4 and z is equals to 6k minus 5. Now this is a general point on AB. Okay, let this point is P, any general point P. Now we are supposed to find the coordinates of this point where the line AB crosses this plane. Suppose let line AB crosses the plane 2x plus y plus z is equals to 7 at P with coordinates x, y, z. Then P must satisfy the equation of this line. Okay. Or this general point on the line must satisfy this plane. So we can substitute the values of x, y, z in this plane. We will get minus k plus 3 plus y is k minus 4 plus z is 6k minus 5 is equals to 7. So this will be minus 2k plus 6 plus k minus 4 plus 6k minus 5 is equals to 7. Now minus 2k plus k is minus k plus 6k will be 5k. Now 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, and that can be added to the right hand side. So 5k is equals to 10 will give you k is equals to 2. Now substituting the value of k in this point, we will get x is equals to minus 2 plus 3, y is equals to 2 minus 4, and z is equals to 6 into 2 minus 5. So x will be 1, y will be minus 2, and z will be 12 minus 5, that is 7. So required point P with coordinates x, y, z is x is 1, y is minus 2, and z is 7. And this is the required point. Now your next question is question number 13. That is, find the equation of the plane passing through the point minus 1, 3, 2 and perpendicular to each of the plane x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 5 and 3x plus 3y plus z is equals to 0. So first of all, there is a formula to find the equation of a plane passing through a point. That is, the equation of a plane passing through a point x1, y1, z1 is a times x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1 plus c times z minus z1 is equals to 0, where a, b, c are the direction ratios of normal to the vector. Now our plane is passing through this, so the equation of plane passing through minus 1, 3, 2 is a times x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1 plus c times z minus z1 is equals to 0, where a, b, c are the direction ratios of normal to the plane. Okay. Now we are given that this plane 1 is perpendicular to this. So when the two planes are perpendicular, there is a formula: two planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equals to 0. These two planes are perpendicular if and only if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0. Now we are given that this plane 1 is perpendicular to x plus 2y plus 3z plus is equals to 5. So this will implies that a into 1, that is a, b into 2, that is 2b, plus c into 3, that is 3c must be equals to 0. Similarly, we are given that the plane 1 is perpendicular to this plane also, 3x plus 3y plus z is equals to 0. So this will implies that a into 3, that is 3a, plus b into 3, that is 3b, plus c into 1, that is c, is equals to 0. This is your equation 3. Now solving 1, 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. We will get your 2 equation is a plus 2b plus 3c is equals to 0. And next is 3a plus 3b plus c is equals to 0. Now solving these two equations using cross multiplication method, we will get a upon b upon c upon a upon 2 minus 9, b upon 9 minus 1, c upon 3 minus 6, and that will give you a upon minus 7, b upon 8, c upon minus 3. Okay. Now this will give you that a, b, c are proportional to minus 7, 8 and minus 3. Now the substitute the value of a, b, c in 1. Substituting the values of a, b, c in 1, we get minus 7 into x plus 1, minus 7 into x plus 1, 8 into y minus 3, 8 into y minus 3, minus 3 into z minus 2, minus 3 into z minus 2 is equals to 0. So this will give you minus 7x minus 7 plus 8y minus 24 minus 3z plus 6 is equals to 0. And this will give you minus 7x plus 8y minus 3z. Now minus 7 plus 6 will give you minus 1. So this will be minus 25 is equals to 0. And finally the equation of the plane will be this. So this is the required equation of the plane. So students, if you liked my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of each my upcoming videos and you can get the benefit of it. So keep watching my videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.